Playback controller. Access the menu. Click on the code input icon and enter 9999 in the password input dialog box. To start the playback mode, select the playback task. The displayed player contains the following features: X button to exit the playback mode. Playback time displays the playback time. Playback slider to adjust the time of the replay file. Control button to minimize the panel. Operation buttons. Playback speed selection combo box. Playback time icon to adjust the playback start and end time. Drive selection combo box. Playback list to select the desired file. Detail log section. Detail log button to minimize the panel. Displays additional data on the selected file. Start playback. Click on the drive selection combo box, select local disk, and all folders contained will appear. Click on the desired folder. All stored files are displayed in the playback list. Select the file to be played. To adjust the replay speed, click on the playback speed selection combo box and select the desired speed. To set the time frame to be replayed, either move the playback slider to the desired position or click on the playback start time icon for start and playback end time icon for end. Next, adjust the time as required. To start the replay, click on the play button. The surface picture will be displayed accordingly. Repeat this procedure for other files as required.
The playback function can be found in the status bar. Click on the Others button to drop down the list, and then click on the Playback button to access the function. If you have unacknowledged alerts, then the playback function will not open. Before entering the playback mode, you will also be made aware of the limitations that apply to the ECDIS operations when it is in playback mode. In the playback window, you must first select the date you want to playback. You can then choose a specific time during the selected date, and then click on the play button to commence playback. All on-ships movements, dangerous target movements, and chart-related operations are now shown on screen, and the screen shows the message playback. When the playback is paused, you can change the speed of the playback. To do so, click on the white arrow on the speed drop-down menu, then choose the speed you want to watch the playback in. To stop the playback and return to normal operation, just click on the Exit button. You can export the playback data if you want. It could be in case of an accident or incident investigation. To export the data, click on the Settings button on the status bar, then select Settings. On the File Export tab, put a tick mark in Playback Data, and click Export. The Save File dialog box appears. Select where to save the data, then click the Save button.
Playback Utility. Click the TRANSAS Integrator and select the Playback Utility button. After the utility has run, the screen will display a control window. The playback window is intended for the selection of the date and time of the situation that should be played back, and for the control of playback. Click track date and select the required date from the drop-down list. The chart panel will display the tracks of the ownership and targets on the selected date. Use the Time input line to enter the value of the time, which the dynamic display is required to start from, and click the Enter key.